add to Watchlist on Amazon Prime Video. Are you on Amazon Prime Video and want to save movies or shows for later? If yes, follow through the steps. First of all, launch open the Prime Video application on your smartphone or your devices. And once you are logged into the homepage, go to the show or movie you'd like to mark as Watchlist. Select the movie or show from the category at the top and press and hold the movie or show you'd like to add to Watchlist. Soon after you press and hold it, this will bring up the expanded menu at the bottom where you'll need to click Watchlist. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add the specific show or movie to the Watchlist tab. Your watchlist is inside the My Stuff tab. From the homepage, go to My Stuff at the bottom right and there you will see all of the watchlist that you've added. Now you can quickly find your favorite movies and shows anytime on Prime Video. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.